Good morning, dear parents. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Well, you all are welcome here today. As I came to know that students are facing some difficulties in learning letter songs. Okay? So it is requested to you all. So don't force them or don't try hard to learn the letter song. I perform the letter song only so that they can recognize the actions, the letter sound, and also consolidates the letter sound. So it is not compulsory for them to learn that songs also. But yes, it is useful for them because in that song we use the particular letter sound words. So if they repeat after me 1 or 2 times, then it is also okay. So it is not a compulsion for them to learn the letter songs also and to perform in the activity. But yes, एक्टिविटी जो बच्चों ने परफॉर्म करके भेजी है वेडनेसडे को, उसमें आपने ओके लेटर सॉन्ग्स बच्चों को नहीं आ रहे, इज इट ओके, बट लेटर साउंड्स भी कंप्लीट नहीं थे. लाइक फ्रॉम ए टू डी हमें वेडनेसडे को सबमिट करना था. बट येस, आई थिंक 1 or 2 स्टूडेंट्स ने फ्रॉम ए टू डी साउंड्स कवर किए हैं. सो नो प्रॉब्लम. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज ऑल द लेटर साउंड्स फ्रॉम ए टू एच. हमने जहाँ तक रिविजन लर्न कर लिया है फ्रॉम ए टू एच, आज हम उनका रिविजन करेंगे, बच्चों से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे और आज हम वही सब रिवाइज करेंगे. सो रेडी किड्स, आर यू रेडी? चलिए जल्दी से रेडी हो जाइए. अपने दोनों लिसनिंग ईयर्स चेक कर लीजिए जल्दी से. रेडी है या नहीं? माइन आर ऑन. मेरे लिसनिंग टूल्स तो रेडी है. नाउ सेकेंड हम क्या चेक करेंगे? लेट्स मेक श्योर दैट योर looking eyes are on. Okay, looking eyes are on. Very good. But let's perform our morning song first. Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Very good. Now let's listen carefully the phonic sounds. First I am going to revise all the sounds. Okay, you only listen carefully. Letter A. ए ए ए. ओह, चींटी बहुत जोर से काटती है. ए ए ए. मैंने भगा दिया. लेटर B. ब ब. लेटर C. लेटर डी. ड्रम है आपके पास घर पे? आई एम नॉट हैविंग एट माई होम. नो प्रॉब्लम. इमेजिनेशन. इमेजिनेशन से हम कुछ भी हमारे पास लेकर आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई इमेजिन दैट आई हैव अ ड्रम एंड ड्रम स्टिक्स इन माई हैंड. सी हाउ आई एम प्लेइंग द ड्रम. ड ड ड ड ड ड ड. नाउ लेटर ई. व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ लेटर ई? ए ए. Yes. Sound of letter F. F. Letter G. G G G G G G G. Last letter, letter H. थक गई मैं बहुत. आई एम सो टायर्ड. तो क्या होगा? Okay, now I will perform the actions only. Okay, be ready. It's a game. Okay, जो first answer देंगे वो winner. So I'm going to perform the action and you have to identify the letter and the sound. Ready? Okay, parents please check students सही answer दे रहे हैं या नहीं. I'm going to perform the actions only. Start. It's a game. Don't cheat. Okay, start. Which sound and which letter? B. B. And letter B. Very good. Next. Which sound and which letter? Speak louder. K. Next. Letter E and sound is eh. I hope आप सही आंसर्स दे रहे होंगे ना, मम्मा पापा चेक करेंगे. ओके, सो वॉच केयरफुली with your looking eyes, okay, and give right answers. Next. Letter F and the sound is very good. Next. Yes. Letter A and sound is eh, eh. Very good. Next. This is the action for sound do. Do. And letter is D. Very good. Now. Oops. मैंने तो sound भी बता दिया. No problem. So, letter H and sound is this is the action for letter G and G and sound is G, G, G. Very good. So we covered all the letters and all the sounds. Very good. I hope आपने सही आंसर्स दिए होंगे. मैं आपकी मम्मा से पूछ लूंगी. Okay. So parents, please make sure that kids are able to identify the sounds and letter from letter A to H. And now I have a game also. One more new game. So are you ready? Answers आपको देने. I will ask the questions only. Okay. So now I am going to show you the letters and you have to identify the letters and then perform the action and the sound. Okay? Ready? Looking eyes and listening toes are ready? Okay, so let's start. Which letter is this? You have to identify the letter and then tell the sound. Say the sound. This is letter C and sound is K. Next. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? You have to identify the letter and then perform the sound and action also. Very good. Letter D. The sound is D and the action is D, 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 D. Next letter. Which letter is this? G. Sound is G and the action is G, 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 G. I hope आप सभी सही आंसर्स दे रहे हैं. Okay. Next. Letter A and the sound is eh, eh. Which letter is this? Letter B. The sound is B, B. And action is B. Very good. Next. Letter H. Letter H. The sound is action is H for Harshita. Harshita ma'am. Next letter. Which letter is this? F. The sound is action is now last. Which letter is this? Letter E. And the sound is Action is eh. Action is eh. So dear parents, I hope kids are able to identify the letters, the actions and the sound. The letter songs are not compulsory, but yeah, please let them listen that songs 1 or 2 times. So it is not a compulsion. Tomorrow is Saturday. In tomorrow's video, I want the kid saying the letter and letter sound and perform the actions. And please try to make only a one single video. Don't send multiple videos. Okay, and send document file. Okay, so you can send a long video at one time. And please make sure कि from A to H सारे letters बच्चा cover करे, because 1 week हो चुका है and A B C D E F G H only 8 ही letters अभी हमारे हुए हैं. So sounds are only compulsory and actions also. So please prepare them, and tomorrow is Saturday. Please send the video of your kid with the letter sound and letter action only from A to H. एंड प्लीज़ आज ग्रुप में मुझे बताएं कि जब मैंने ये लेटर्स शो किए, बच्चों से क्वेश्चंस पूछे, तो दे आर एबल टू आंसर और नॉट. प्लीज़. थैंक यू सो मच.